Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display purchase order line into list view. So let's see about that. You can see here module Dev purchase line list view. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to purchase app, go to order and see here the separate menu purchase order line. Now click on and you can easily see here display purchase order line and also display group by order, vendor and product. I want to select first order, so display here all order in display vendor wise and also display product wise. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.